The Chevrolet Corvette C1 was made between 1953 and 1962. This particular example, an award-winning example, was built in 1961. Fast forward 30 years and I helped to unveil the right-hand drive Corvette C8 Stingray, and that was at the Goodwood Festival of Speed just a few days ago. Now, cast your mind back to the 50s. The designer of Chevrolet at the time, Harley Earl, persuaded GM that they needed a two-seater sports car because he loved the two-seaters that came from Alfa Romeo and Jaguar. And voila! The Corvette name comes from a small fighting frigate or a warship, and when it was unveiled to the public, they loved it. And you will love driving this particular car as well, because it is said to be the best driving C1 in the UK, and that's thanks in part to an uprated suspension and disc brakes. It comes with a thick history file which you are more than welcome to look through if you can make it down to some preview days here at Windsorview Lakes near Windsor. The doors are open from 9 AM to 4:30 PM on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and the auction itself starts at 9:30 AM on Saturday. You do need to pre-register if you would like to bid, so you can do that when you're here or online from the comfort of your home. Just log on to historics.co.uk. I've just got one thing left and I'm going to start the engine now.